The environment is where we all meant, where all have a mutual interest, it is the one thing all of us share. What is ecology and different levels of organization? Ecology, the study of the relationships between organisms and their environment and the balances between these relationships, abiotic and biotic factor. Population is a group of individuals of a single species living together within a particular geographic area. They interbreed and compete with each other for reasons. Community, it refers to the several populations that interact and inhabit a common environment and are interdependent. Ecosystem, it is a set of all living species and abiotic components existing and interacting in a given area. There is an interaction with both living and non-living components of the environment. Biosphere, it is the highest level of organization. It is the global ecological system which consists of all the living organisms and other factors which supports life. Biosphere mainly refers to the part of the Earth's crust. What make up an ecosystem? Importance of ecosystem. It provides habitat to wild plants and animals. It controls essential ecological processes and promote lives. It promotes various food chains and food webs, involved in the recycling of nutrients between biotic and abiotic components. This graph shows all the trophic eating-related interactions between various species in an ecosystem. This diagram shows an example of a food web. Primary producers are marked in green, primary consumers in orange, secondary consumers in blue, and tertiary consumers in purple. In this diagram, the green algae are primary producers that get eaten by mollusks, the primary consumers. The mollusks then become lunch for the slimy sculpin fish, a secondary consumer which is itself eaten by a larger fish, the Chinook salmon, tertiary consumer. Decomposers as a group play a critical role in keeping ecosystem healthy. When they break down dead material and wastes, they release nutrients that can be recycled and used as building blocks by primary producers. We have learned that an ecosystem is a community of organisms that interact with each other or their environment. Ecosystems change over time. Sudden disruptions such as volcanoes, floods, fires can be affect which species will thrive in an environment. Other disruptions are caused by human activities. Some disruptions can be devastating for an individual species and may even cause an entire species to permanently disappear in a process called extinction. Simple ways to protect and preserve the environment. Use recycle bags. Give shelter to animals. Save endangered species. Plant more trees and keep clean surroundings.